Woof woof. Stay there, you dick.
Don't know.
And just stop it. If you notice blood in the kitchen, or like bathroom, sorry, it's like I would clean it up and then go to her and say, hey.
Oh, beautiful.
And in our podcast,
So was going on.
I can't designate a day because I can't say, yes, I'll be there for you. There's no way I can let her go down Townsend on her own. Who's up? Oh, yeah.
Look, we're on. By cyclists, so it's not going to pull away that quick. I knew those guys in the lanes next to us were going to do that and shit on straight. You see him? He's lovely.
Hi, puppies.
Oh, he's lovely. Don't try and get round in there, you dickhead. Absolute dickhead.
Ow.
I mean, and yeah. Why they bother doing it? Because why they bother accepting?
I mean, there's literally a sign there that says no U-turns, but sure, why not? It's one lane here, mate. Unlucky, but it's one lane.
No idea what you're doing. Should be where I am.
Like this are rare, but it will continue to check premises in Nottingham are complying with the law.
Reopening the Nottinghamshire Road shut because of war.
Move over. Get over.
Look in your mirrors! Look in your mirrors! Idiots! Look in your mirrors! Look in your mirrors! Idiots!
Now they realise.
Yeah. Idiots.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Fantastic.
Beforehand with Bad Company, I was in conversation with Zoltan from Five Finger Death Punch just the other night. We had a good hour, you know, good chats. What can I say? We got on very well indeed. You know, I don't blame the guy. You know, I'm hard not to like. Anyway, that interview, it was an hour long, and we have got a team of producers.
Straight through a red light.
Wake up, spring.
Well, can I have that?
Yeah, I'll...
Good job no one was crossing, because you would have wiped them out. Dickhead.
Behavior. ... The these pleas have fallen on deaf ears, and the defendant has chosen to pursue an aggressively opposite one filled with name.
'72 Capri. Look at those ring mirrors though. Don't see them anymore. And a successor, the Ford Sierra. We have a Wolseley, and those wheels are definitely not the original ones. From 1970. Wolseley 1685, I believe. And the ubiquitous Scooby-Doo. And another little Austin 7 with a Ford Popular. Now, this is going from one extreme to the other. One huge GM pickup, about 3 cars long, down to a baby Austin 7. And the very epitome of basic is the Citroën Mahari, based largely on a 2CV. Not even a radio. Well, it's got the right number of pedals and a gear lever and a speedo. What more could you want? We have a rather nice Triumph Vitesse. You can get a good look at the front of this one. 1968. Just the sort of thing one needs on a day like today. Who remembers The Prisoner? Patrick McGowan. He was supposed to have had one of these. The original Lotus 7. something a little bit more modern called an Aston Martin.